So far in this course, I've shown you 3 of the hidden features within the Simone theme. The first one was this custom social media menu that you can add simply by creating a new social media menu pointing to social media networks. The second one was the pull quotes feature, which allows you to shift block quotes either to the left or to the right to make them pull out of the main content. And the third one was the attachment page feature, which allows you to provide more information about images and other attachments in posts. Now I'm going to show you a fourth feature, and that is the custom author box that will appear in your blog posts and also on the author archives if you activate it. So right now, that feature is not activated. And if I scroll down to the bottom of a single post, you'll see that at the bottom of the post, we have the tags. Then we have navigation to the previous post and the next post, and then we have the comments. Now I want to add a custom author box that shows the gravatar for the author and also the name of the author, how many posts that author has created, and a short bio. To do that, I'm simply going to edit the author profile. So first I need to go to the dashboard, and I'll do that in a separate tab so we can quickly switch back and forth. Then I need to go to users, and in my case, I want to change my own user profile because I'm the author of all these posts. So I'll click on your profile. Here I need to fill in all of my information. You see that right now all I have is my username, so I'm going to fill in my first and last name. Then I'm going to change the display name publicly as feature so that it displays my full name. So this will happen across every place where you see my name on the site. I already have my email, and I can choose to add my website as well if I want to. So I'm going to add http://morton.com. And then comes the crucial part, biographical information. You see, if you add bio information for a user within your site, that function automatically triggers the author box. So if you fill in this field, the author box appears. If you take information out of the field, then the author box disappears. So here I'm going to put in some basic bio information. And finally, I'm going to click Update Profile. And now I should have the custom author box appearing on my site. So before I reload this page, remember at the bottom of the page, we had tags, navigation, and then comments. And at the very top, in the meta content, it just said written by Morton. So now I'm going to reload this post, and 2 things happen. First, written by is changed to the full name. So this is that setting I changed, display name as setting. And then, if I scroll down to the bottom of my content, a new box has appeared. You have tags, then you have the custom author box, and then you have the navigation. The custom author box displays the gravatar for the author. So this is the image that's associated with the email address that's entered for that author. You then have the full name of the author, how many articles have been published by that author within the site, and then the bio information. At the very bottom, you can also click on all posts by that author, and then you are taken to the author archive. Finally, there's this minus button here, and if you click on it, it simply collapses the author box, because in some cases you may have a really long bio, and that long bio will take up a lot of space, so this makes it very easy to collapse it. This author box also appears at the top of the author archive. So if I click on all posts by Morton, I'm taken to the author archive for this particular author. And here you have the name of the author at the top. Then you have the about box. So this is the custom author box. Works exactly the same way it did before. And then you have the archive of actual posts written by this author. So that means if you want to activate the feature, all you have to do is go into the user bio and add the biographical information, and this box will automatically appear on single posts and also on the archive for that particular author. Now, there is one more hidden feature within the custom author box that involves adding links to the social media networks that author is using, and we'll look at that in the next movie.